I'm Steph Strickland with GeekWire Studios. We are talking about how wonderful gets done. Performance made flexible. I would like to introduce to you our panelists. We begin with Jason. Hi, Jason.
Hi, I'm Jason Grebe, Corporate Vice President, Cloud and Enterprise Solutions Group at Intel.
Thanks for making the time, Jason. And now to you, Alan.
Hello, everyone. My name is Alan Chang. I'm the Deputy GM of Server Product Line from Inspur.
Jason, my question for you is, I want to talk about innovation highlights and sort of the product advantages that Intel brings with this third generation Intel Xeon Scalable processor, and specifically maybe talking about some of the quantified performance gain data.
Yeah, sure, I'd be happy to. The third generation Intel Xeon Scalable processor enables significant new performance and flexibility for cloud workloads, AI, enterprise, HPC, and IoTG. The third gen processors come with 8 to 40 cores and offer a wide range of frequencies and power consumption targets. There's all kinds of new benefits, including PCIe Gen 4 and up to 6 terabytes per socket using Optane persistent memory. As a result of all this, the third generation Intel Xeon Scalable processor family has great overall performance for a big, broad set of workloads. The third gen Intel Xeon Scalable processor is the only data center CPU with built-in AI acceleration, supported by end-to-end data science tools, and a smart solution and an ecosystem push. The platform also includes SGX, which protects data and application code in real time from the edge to the data center. It also has Intel Crypto Acceleration, which increases the performance of encryption-intensive workloads, including SSL web serving, 5G, VPN and sharing, and reduces the overall performance impact of pervasive encryption. A powerful and flexible portfolio really matters, and third generation delivers across the board.
Jason, I have to talk to you about the collaboration between Intel and Inspur, especially in the early product development stages, and really what this means to the customers and the market.
Yeah, we can't be any happier with the partnership and deep collaboration with Inspur. We've been partnering together technology-wise for about 2 decades. We're glad to see Inspur's amazing growth and becoming an industry leader spanning from PRC and now on a global footprint. We've historically worked at the platform level, but now we've shifted left in the early development and pathfinding work together. We've successfully explored innovative ideas, evaluated new concepts, and actually developed platforms that scale out to the entire industry together. So I couldn't be any happier with the partnership we've developed.
Tell me a little bit about some of the feedback that you're getting on the third gen Intel Xeon Scalable processors.
Yeah, we're seeing tremendous excitement from across the entire ecosystem, and that's from cloud to enterprise to HPC and to network providers. All of the world's largest cloud service providers plan to offer third-gen Intel Xeon Scalable processors in their services offerings and in their internal workloads. And the great part about it is we're seeing good feedback on our advanced features, like we talked about earlier on SGX, to power real-world applications to secure the networks. And on HPC specifically, customers are very excited about our increased performance, AVX 512, more memory bandwidth, and faster I/O.
Alan, I have some questions for you now, and I want to talk about innovation highlights, specifically around the third gen Intel Xeon Scalable processor, as well as Inspur's M6 generation servers. And I want to talk about the benefits to customers.
Sure, absolutely. With Jason mentioning about the increased performance in the third generation Xeon processor performance, right? It definitely brings a new challenge for system design. And Inspur innovation in designs that try to support the highest bin count in the 1U, we overcome many of the conventional design challenges and make the impossible possible. So let me give an example. So we want to pack in a top bin CPU in a 1U traditional form factor. We have to create some sort of innovation heatsink design that dissipates the heat from the server as soon as possible. And then also with the increased performance, our customer is expecting low latency storage in the conventional designs as well. So we put in additional 20% more small form factor drive alongside with the Intel E1.S Looter SSD that helps increase the performance through the CPU and then the storage. I think those are innovation and then benefit to many of the customers.
Let's broaden that out and talk a little bit about product portfolio, the whole picture of Inspur's M6 generation servers to support customers in their business innovation and growth.
Absolutely, good question. As the Intel architecture growing bigger and bigger and cover more area, like Jason was saying, SDX and 5G AI, all this infrastructure designs helping merging the telecommunication and then the traditional IT infrastructure. One thing I can share is that we have seen many telco providers start to think like more information technology services. The initiative of a cloud native and telco spaces is speeding up this process. So for example, we have to design a server design that has PCI slots in the front and in the back to serve both the traditional IT data center and then also for telecommunications. So with increase in the Xeon processor performance and then the area that they cover, we have expanded our business into the area we have never seen before.
Any final thoughts, anyone?
Yeah, from my perspective, we've been working on this microprocessor for many years, and we've been partnering with Inspur for multiple years to bring these platforms and these capabilities to life. And I couldn't be more excited to see how end users use this technology to solve the world's biggest problems.
Thank you so much to our panelists for being here with us today. And if you would like to check out more of Intel's Partner Pavilion, you can do so at the URL you see on your screen. And that's how wonderful gets done.